Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to the e-commerce feature of WA Bridge. With this feature, you can easily connect your Facebook catalogs or integrate your website catalogs from platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, OpenCart and more. Once connected, you can showcase all your products directly on your WhatsApp Business API numbers shop, allowing customers to browse products and make purchases seamlessly within WhatsApp. Additionally, you can create intelligent chatbots for your catalogs. These chatbots can interact with customers, help them explore products and assist them throughout the buying journey. Some key features include in-chat payment collection, address and customer information capture, order management directly on the WA Bridge platform, automated post-order messages such as confirmation and updates. With WA Bridge, you get a complete e-commerce experience inside WhatsApp, from product discovery to order management. So let's get started and explore how you can set up and use this feature effectively. To connect your Facebook catalog with WA Bridge, you first need to create a catalog within your Facebook business portfolio. Make sure that you create it under the same business portfolio where your WhatsApp Business API is active. Here's how you can do it. Go to business.facebook.com and open your business settings. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Data Sources and select Catalogs. Click the Add Plus button to create a new catalog. Click Continue to proceed to the next page. On this page, you will need to choose the catalog type. Options include online products, local products and services, travel, property or auto. Select the one that best matches your business. Next, choose the business portfolio under which you want to create this catalog. You'll also see an option to grant access to other people within the business. If you want the catalog to be private, simply untick the access option. Then set a catalog name and click Next. On the following page, Facebook may ask you if you'd like to connect tracking or pixels. Since this is mainly for meta ads and our goal is to display products on WhatsApp, you can skip this step and continue. Next, you will see an option to add products to your catalog. You can either add products manually or upload them via a data feed. Also, you can connect your Shopify or WooCommerce site. All the products from your site will be added to Meta. For now, we'll skip this step as the products can be easily added later through the WA Bridge platform. To connect your Shopify or WooCommerce store, please follow the steps below. Open Commerce Manager and navigate to the Products section. Click on Add Products. You'll see an option for Partner Platform. Select that and click Next. On the following page, you will see a list of available e-commerce platforms. Choose your platform, Shopify or WooCommerce, and you'll be redirected to the respective setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the platform to complete the connection to your product catalog. And that's it. Your catalog is now created and ready to be linked with WA Bridge. Now that we have created our Facebook catalog, let's see how to connect it with WA Bridge and manage your products directly from the platform. Open WA Bridge and log into your account. Navigate to the e-commerce section. Go to Product Management. If you have multiple WhatsApp numbers connected, select the device you want to use.
You will see an option that says Continue with Facebook. Click on it and follow the on-screen steps. Select the business portfolio where your catalog was created and click Continue. On the next screen, you will see all the catalogs available under that business. You can choose a specific catalog or select all, then click Continue and save. Once done, you will be redirected back to WA Bridge where you will see the catalog status as Connected. You'll now have the option to select which catalog you want to manage within WA Bridge. Click on Connect to Catalog. Choose your desired catalog and click Connect Catalog. Your catalog is now successfully connected and you can manage it directly from WA Bridge. Now, you can add products via WA Bridge. Click the Add New Product button. Upload the product images. Here you can upload multiple images. Enter the product title and description. If your product exists on your website, you can add the product URL so customers can view it on your site as well. Choose your currency and enter the product price. You can optionally select a Facebook product category, which is mainly useful if you plan to run meta ads. Enter a sale price if there is a discount on the MRP. Set availability and status as active. Optionally, you can also add the brand name. The Content ID field will autofill from Meta, do not modify it. Under stock, specify the available quantity. Once it's sold out, the product will automatically show as out of stock in your WhatsApp shop. You will also find optional fields like color, gender, material, pattern, and size. You can skip these if not required. Finally, click Add Product. You'll now see your product listed and active in the catalog. Now, how to display your shop on WhatsApp. To show your shop button at the top of your WhatsApp Business API number, go back to your Facebook Business portfolio, navigate to WhatsApp accounts, select the WhatsApp account you wish to link the catalog to. Click on WhatsApp Manager. Under Account Tools, select Catalogs. Choose the relevant number if you have multiple. Enable the two toggle options to display the shop button. Once enabled, you will see the shop button appear at the top of your WhatsApp Business API number within 15 to 20 minutes. Your catalog products are now visible and customers can start exploring and purchasing directly from your WhatsApp shop. That's it. You have successfully connected your Facebook catalog with WA Bridge, added products, and enabled your WhatsApp shop. Let's create the chatbot for WhatsApp shop automation. Now let's move to creating the chatbot that will automate your WhatsApp shop. We'll start by building a simple order placement chatbot. This bot will capture customer details like address and payment preference when they place an order. Here's how to set it up. Go to the chatbot section. Click Add New Chatbot. Select the device. Give your chatbot a name and click Create New. Next, go to Actions and click Edit. This will open the chatbot builder. You will see the Start node which has 3 trigger options: Keyword Match, Any Keyword, On Order Place. Since we are building an e-commerce bot, select On Order Place. This means the chatbot will automatically trigger whenever a customer places an order from your WhatsApp shop. Now we'll use the e-commerce nodes to design the order flow. To collect customer address details, add the address node. Here you can attach a form template that captures customer name, address, and other basic information.
After collecting the address, we'll give customers checkout options: cash on delivery, prepaid, or pickup. Use the corresponding nodes to store their selection in the system. For prepaid orders, connect the flow to review and payment nodes. This will send the order value and initiate the in-chat payment process directly on WhatsApp. To enable in-chat payments, ensure you've completed the payment configuration setup. A separate tutorial video on this setup is linked in the description for your reference. Once payment is complete, add a confirm button to mark the order as confirmed in the system. After confirmation, you can send an order confirmation message using the order message node. You can also set automated messages for new orders, status updates, and other notifications. Save and test your chatbot. Once your chatbot flow is ready, click Save. To set up the configurations, go to the Configuration section under E-commerce. You will find notification options for events such as order confirmation, order delivered, order cancelled, order returned, and order in transit. Before configuring notifications, create the required templates in My Templates. The template creation link is provided in the description. In the Actions tab, open the configuration settings, click Edit to assign templates for both client and vendor. Client receives notifications for order status updates. Vendor receives notification when a new order is placed. Select the appropriate template and ensure it includes the required variables. These variables will automatically populate the dynamic data. Add customer name, customer's name, add customer number, customer's mobile number, add order date, add amount, total order amount, add order number, add status, updated status from the e-commerce CRM. Use these variables to configure accurate notifications for clients and vendors, ensuring they receive real-time updates for all order-related activities. Now, let's test your chatbot by placing an order through your WhatsApp shop. You will see that the bot automatically collects customer details, manages payment options, confirms orders, and sends notifications, making your WhatsApp shop fully automated and customer-friendly. WA Bridge provides an e-commerce management module similar to Shopify and WooCommerce, allowing you to view and manage all your orders in one place. Navigate to the e-commerce section and select Order Management to access the complete list of orders. Click View to see detailed information for any specific order. From the order detail page, you can update the order status as needed. All status options such as in transit, delivered, cancelled, or returned are available for quick and accurate updates.
This automation not only streamlines your order management process, but also enhances the overall shopping experience for your customers. Now, let's create multiple categories chatbot with recommended products. Creating the multi-product message MPM template. Before we create a chatbot, the first step is to set up the multi-product message MPM template. This template allows you to showcase multiple products from your chat log directly in a WhatsApp message. Here's how to create it. Go to My Templates on your WABridge dashboard. Select your WhatsApp number and click View. Click Add Template. Under Marketing category, you will find an option for Catalog templates. From here, choose Multi-Product Template. Now, enter a template name, add your message content, include a footer if required or leave it blank. Click Save. The template usually gets approved within 10 to 20 seconds. Once it's approved, let's quickly check how it works. Go to Messages, Send Message. Select your WhatsApp device and choose the template you just created. You will now see an option to select products from your catalog that you want to send to customers, up to 30 products maximum. Send the message and let's see how it looks to the client. As you can see, the client receives only the selected products in the message, while your WhatsApp shop still displays all available products. Now, as we have created an order placement chatbot and the MPM templates, we will create a chatbot with multiple categories where we can send recommended products to shoppers. To create the chatbot, go to Chat Flow, Chatbot and click Create New. Select your device, provide a chatbot name and click Create New. Go to Action, click Edit. Choose keyword match or any keyword in to start the flow. To make chatbot on keyword match, provide keyword you want to trigger the chatbot for. For example, use the keyword e-com testing. When someone sends this keyword, the chatbot will trigger and show the list of categories. Next, we will take one list node to display the categories. Add a list node. Add header, body and footer for basic details. Add categories with section names. We will take 5 sections here: clothing, electronics, footwear, kitchen and watches. To add subcategories, use Add Items option. Under clothing, we can have t-shirts, jeans, shirts. Same, under electronics, we can have items like smartphones, laptops, headphones. Under footwear, sneakers, sports shoes. Same way, we will add some subcategories products to design a flow which is customizable. You can create as per your products. For each category, use the catalog template and select MPM template created earlier. Select recommended products relevant to that category. Example, add 2 or more products and connect the node. For every category, create a separate catalog and send up to 30 recommended products. When the user places an order from the recommended catalog, connect the same flow created earlier for order placement. To collect the address, we will use the address node, where we have 2 options. Use existing address, auto shown if the customer has ordered before. Add new address, use the address form template here. Select the template created earlier for address collection. After collecting the address, we will use a text with buttons node to provide checkout options, like cash on delivery, prepaid or pickup. Store the customer selection by using these nodes. For cash on delivery, we will attach the cash on delivery node, and for prepaid, we will use the review and pay node, which will send the payment URL within the chat to proceed the payment. After successful payment, add a confirm node to mark the order as confirmed in the system. And you can send order confirmation message with this order message node. And save the chatbot. So our chatbot is ready. Let's let how it works. We'll start the chatbot with keyword e-com testing. You can see the categories of products message received. Let's try the chatbot and place one order. After selecting any item, we receive the MPM message from where we can explore the products and place the order. And at last, you can check the order detail in the order management. In configurations, you can also enable the webhook option to receive detailed order data on your web server. This allows you to push the order into your CRM or website automatically. So with this, our chatbots are created. Hope you understand and like the video. If you have any doubts, you can connect with our team anytime.
Visit www.wabridge.com or call 1800-890-1499 India and UAE +97150 712 4632.